Hi, it's PS Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Excuse my voice. Oo, medyo hindi pa ganun ka okay. Pero, yes, oo. Kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Yes, and yeah, nagre-read po si Perception. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo. Pwede mag-message and lumapit. And yeah, don't forget rin na ating i-follow yung ating second channel na Love Letter na pwedeng mag-send ng inyong mga messages for your special person, special someone. Okay, yung mga inyong mga ina-admire no? Pwede yun doon. And yeah, pagdating sa ating mga item, yeah, this is all available. Yung ating mga evil eye protection. Ito yung ring. This is adjustable. Ganyan siya. And yung ating dalawang bracelet. This is yung garterize. Ganito yung kanyang pendant. Okay, ganyan siya. And yung ating ang tawag dyan, adjustable. Oo. Si adjustable, merong initial na inilalagay. Okay. And this is made to order. And available in red strings po. Itong ating adjustable. And yung ating necklace. Minimalist. Oo. Maliit lang yung kanyang pendant. As you can see. Yeah. This is unisex. Okay po. Ganyan siya. Merong blue stone sa gitna. Okay. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay. And yung ating granter. Si ano pala muna. Ito muna. Si love bracelet. Anything about love. Oo. So, kung ikaw itong nasa isang situationship, no labels, ikaw itong may conflict sa connection nyo, kahit sabihin natin napakaganda na. Si Granter. Bakit si Granter? Itong si love bracelet pa rin, no? May re-recommend ko pa rin yan sa'yo. And syempre, si Granter. Yan na. Ikaw na, Granter. Wow. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. And this is made to order. Taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Yan, Granter, okay na? Diba? So, lagi yung pabida si Granter. And yung ating pang cord cut. So, kung alam nyo na yung cord cutting, so yeah, available yan sa Fias Tarot. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, message na lang po, no? Kung anong meron sa cord cutting. Anyway, again, kung may tanong, message na lang po, no? So, let's start the reading. Let's start with air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Hope you're fine. Hope you're doing well. Okay. Air sign. Ano bang meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Mga air signs. Okay. Ace of Chalices inversed. Seven of Wands. Somebody. Isa sa inyo ang magre-reject ng isang love offer. Yeah. Pwedeng meron kayong ginugusto kasi na iba. Itong mag-offer na sa'yo itong taong to, hindi mo siya bet. Kaya i-reject mo. Kasi pwedeng meron ibang gusto. Ikaw, meron ka ibang gusto. Ba't ako ganun magsalita? Nakakainis. Pagpasensyahan na po, ha? Oo. Yeah, the lovers. Some of you avoid third parties. Pwedeng itong kukonek sa'yo is merong iba. Okay? May dalawa akong nakuhang energy. Some of you, kung i-reject mo, meron potential kasi na itong taong tong i-reject mo is siya na yung para sa'yo. Ay! Nakaka-pressure. Opo. Oo. Pwedeng meron kayong, masisira, no? Na magandang connection sana. O, kung inyong i-reject. Anyway, I don't know. What else for your air signs? Knight of Chalices. Ten of Swords. Bakit ang daming gustong kumonek? Ang daming person, di ba? Oo. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, meron kayong oo-ohan at meron kayong hihindian. Ano tong Ten of Swords? The Emperor. Offer na pwede rin pagdating sa workplace. Pwedeng ikaw yung napupusuan ng inyong boss or ng inyong bisor. Okay, yeah, the Hierophant. The Nine of Pentacles, yeah. This is talking about pagtaas rin ng sahod, no? Pagdami rin ng responsibilidad. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. So, I think, yeah, energy ng promotion for some of you. Okay? Or sabihin nating dagdag lang na trabaho. Siyempre, dapat may dagdag rin, no? Oo, pagdating sa sahod. No? Oo, parang ganyan. Some of you, ikaw itong parang o-offeran in general. Sino man. Pero ang nakuha ko dito, a boss. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba rito, meron ditong energy na pwedeng may magsasabi na, pwede po ba akong mag-leave? Pwede po ba akong magbakasyon muna? Yes. So, what else? What else for you, air signs? Okay, the Three of Chalices. Somebody wants to reconcile. A water sign. What's with this? Three of Chalices. The King of Pentacles. Yeah. Growth pagdating. Yeah. Success, victory pagdating sa kaperahan mo in general. Okay? Pero yung boss mo, some of you, aanyayahan ka, iimbitahan ka kasi they're into you. They like you. Yes. There's this businessman or businesswoman na gusto ka. Meron ditong gustong makipag-ayos rin. Nanay or tatay ng anak mo. May magme-message, makikipag-ayos. Yeah, the Hermit. Now they're planning. Right now they're planning about this. The Ace of Pentacles na naka-reversed. New beginning. Yeah. Yeah, about this justice na naka-reverse sa mga nangyari, issue before. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo sa fire signs. Okay. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're fine. Okay. So, what's for you, fire signs? Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What's for you? Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong ating makita. Okay, fire signs. The Fool. Travel. Some of you, traveling alone. Solo. Oo. What's with this? Yeah, the Chariot in reversed. Stepping out of your comfort zone. Yung energy dito is stepping up of your comfort zone. May chance na, oops, ayoko muna. Oops, teka lang. Like that. Why? The Four of Pentacles. Nandun yung takot. Syempre. Andun yung mga what if. Andun yung mga ano kaya mangyayari. Yeah. The mystery, oo. Lahat ng ano, 'di ba? Kaba. May mga bago na sabihin nating darating in general sa'yo, fire signs, and I think hindi ka familiar with them or with this energy. So, it's like, okay, hold back muna ako. Hindi muna ako gagawa ng kung anumang action dito. So, siguro kailangan kong aralin muna. Parang ganyan. Okay? Siyempre, hindi ka sanay dito, hindi ka comfortable dito, hindi ka familiar. Yeah, sabi ko nga, stepping out of the comfort zone. Parang ganun yung energy. Taking risk. Yeah. Some of you, yung mga pinag-ipunan mong pera, pwedeng ikaw itong parang gagamitin mo sa isang, sabihin nating pagbili, no? Pagbili sa, sabihin nating hindi naman masyadong kaimportantehan na bagay. Okay? What else? Knight of Chalices in reversed. Pagpasensyahan na po ha, yung boses ko. Oo. Ano tong Knight of Chalices in reverse? This is somebody na pwedeng on and off or maybe hot and cold. The world. Are you in a connection right now na talagang hot and cold siya sa'yo? Some of you are LDR. Pwedeng foreigner or somebody na nakatira malayo sa'yo. Ibang country. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mo malaman dito? Hot and cold siya ha, ngayon. Anong kailangan mo malaman? The Four of Swords in reverse. Yung focus niya is wala sa'yo. Okay? The Seven of Chalices. They have options. They have options. Hindi lang ikaw ang kausap nito. Kaya siya hot and cold. I'm sorry. Pero you have to know that. I have to say it. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands. They're a player. They're a player. They're not sincere. What else for fire signs? The Ace of Chalices in reversed. Meron ditong nafo-fall. May nafo-fall. Eight of Swords. May nafo-fall pero hindi sila sure kung pwede ba kung talagang ma-fall sa'yo or mag-trust sa'yo. They're like, there's a lot of trauma na meron sila sa past. Yeah, the Hanged Man, the Wheel of Fortune, yes. In reversed. Meron ditong hindi makapagbigay ng totoo niyang feelings pero they like you. Hindi kasi hindi to magiging ganito, hindi siya mako-confuse kung hindi kanya gusto. They're just confused. Some of them, gawa ito ng kanyang past trauma. Like that. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. The King of Swords. Kailangan ulit ng taong itong matuto na magtiwala muli. Yeah, this person likes you. Kung ikaw itong parang confused sa kanila because they're not expressing, they're not telling you kung anong emotion nila for you. Yeah, they like you. Pero hindi sila para magmadali. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Marami pa tong gustong malaman, makita, maramdaman sa'yo. Parang ganun. And yeah, yung person is kailangan ring mag-heal. Okay, so there. Next, water signs. Water signs, hope you're well. Hope you're doing fine. Hope you're good. So water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So what's for you? What's for you? Okay, what's for you, water signs? Water signs. Water signs. Okay. The Empress in reversed. What's that? Page of Wands in false pregnancy. There's this false pregnancy I'm getting. Energy of false pregnancy. Some of you, kung meron kayo makakatsok-tsakan dito, may chance na unplanned, no? May mabuo. Okay? Just be careful. Somebody is losing interest. Somebody losing interest. Yeah, the Ace of Chalices in reverse. Feeling na parang parang hindi na-appreciate. Yeah. Meron ako nakikita rito, a mother figure, na parang nakukulangan na sa aruga. or sa pansin ng anak. The Sun. Yeah. Knight of Swords. Somebody's losing interest. I don't know. Kumustahin nyo nanay, tatay nyo. Lalo na kung parang sa tingin nyo, matagal nyo nang hindi nakakumusta. Water signs. 7 of Swords. What's with that? 10 of Chalices. Anong meron? Okay. Avoid trusting or maybe be vigilant. Be aware sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, especially this is like relatives. Some of them gusto lang nila talaga ikaw na parang mawala sa ruta. Okay? They're throwing you evil eye. Some of them. Gusto ng mga to na maguluhan ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Yeah, alam nila na may potential ka. Alam nila na kaya mong gawin yon, pero they don't like that. They don't like that. Kunyari, masaya sila sa achievements mo, pero they're not. They're not. Yeah. So, I don't know kung bakit kailangan nung pang malaman yon. Bakit? The Moon in reverse. Six of Swords. I don't know. Pwedeng nagkokos ng confusion ito sa'yo ngayon. Bakit sila ganyan? Parang ganun eh. So, it's not sabihin natin hindi genuine. Okay? Hindi genuine yung pinapakita ng mga taong to sa'yo. Some of them, they're trying to mirror you. Pero hindi nila kaya. Yes. And nandun rin yung parang gusto kanila na parang sundin yung mga sinasabi nila. Ayaw nila yun, na hindi ka sumasang-ayon or hindi ka sumusunod sa mga gusto nila. Mas maganda talaga na gawin mo yung, sabihin nating, sa tingin mo alam mo, or sa tingin mo dapat. Okay? Yeah. What else? Be careful ha sa mga pagsasabihan mo ng secrets mo, plans. Baka mabati. Opo. No? So, ano pa ang kailangan mong malaman? Water signs. The Devil in reversed. Queen of Swords in reverse. Somebody is afraid doing the right thing. Why? The Sun in reverse. Ito kung sino man ito na parang takot gawin yung dapat talaga at yung tama. Kasi natatakot ano bang mangyayari if ever. Ano ba to? Tingnan ko. The Nine of Wands. Meron mga kailangang i-surrender dito. Alam nyo naman sa sarili nyo kung anong dapat gawin, pero nandyan yung takot anong mangyayari sa akin after. Parang may ganyan. See, the Queen of Wands in reversed. What if, or anong mangyayari sa akin kung sakali na alisin ko yung mga ganito. Some of you, your vices, yung mga nakasanayan, anong mangyayari kaya kung gawin ko yung ganito, ganyan, alisin ko tong ganito, ganito, ganyan. Andun yung takot. Yeah, judgment, the cycle. Hindi mag-grow kung mas pipiliin yung nandyan lang kayo. At alam nyo naman na may mga kailangan ng gawin. May mga kailangan ng aksyonan. May mga kailangan ng sabihin. Kung hindi nyo gagawin yan, then expect ninyo na wala namang mangyayari. Yes. Wala namang mangyayari. As in, walang mangyayari. Yun. Okay? So, yeah. General yun. Ayokong gawing specific. Let's see. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, hi. O, diba? Earth signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you're fine. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Earth signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. The sun in reverse. What's that? Death in reverse. Avoiding. Okay. Unclear. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Somebody is sad. We have 2 twos. 2 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords. Decisions. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Like, yeah. What if? The Lovers. Maybe. Pertaining, sa isang sitwasyon na pwedeng may romantic connection. Or, yeah, partnership in general. Some of you, I'm hearing another kid. Second child, maybe. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Iba sa inyo, yung pinapatungkol dito is like a secret affair. A secret affair. Anong kailangan dito? Anong kailangang malaman dito sa secret affair na to? Aha, the Ace of Swords in reverse. Pasensya na po ha sa ingay. So, Ace of Swords in reverse. So, mabibigyan ka pa rin talaga dito ng unclear. Kung ano man, confusion, unanswered questions. Yeah, the 3 of Chalices. Hindi ba? Hindi ba sa inyo? Hindi ko alam kung meron kayong third party. They're unhappy. Malungkot. Okay? Yung person. Hindi pa rin nila matanggap kung ano man, lalo na kung ikaw ay lumayo sa kanila. Hindi pa rin nila matanggap kung anong meron. Hindi pa rin nila maintindihan kung anong meron. Kung bakit nangyari to. So, closure, siguro, kailangan. Pero kung naibigay mo na yung closure at hindi pa rin naman niya maintindihan, hindi mo na kasalanan yun. Okay? Yeah, again, the 3 of Chalices in reverse. Somebody is unhappy. Meron dito mga plastic. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. Meron dito mga pinaplastic ka. Pinaplastic ka mismo. Okay? Kasi kailangan ka nilang plastikin. Bakit? Yeah, oh, do you have money? Do you have the guts? Do you have the K? So, that's why. That is why. You have plastic na mga kaibigan kasi ikaw itong may pera. Alam nila na may mga benefits silang makukuha sa'yo. Yeah. I'm sorry, pero alam nila na tama yung kinukoneka nila, tama yung kinakapitan nila. Pero hindi sila totoo pagdating sa'yo. Anong meron? Anong kailangan malaman dito? 3 of Chalices in reverse. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanila? Aside sa hindi sila totoo. The Emperor. The Tower. Some of them, ang hindi mo alam, sila pa mismo yung talagang gagawa ng pagbagsak mo. Okay? Sila pa mismo gagawa ng pagbagsak mo. So, be careful. Be careful. Pagdating sa workplace, some of you, nasa line-up ka ng pwedeng i-promote. Pwedeng sinisiraan ka ng ibang tao dyan sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Yes. Kasi ikaw yung may potential. Nadadaig sila, naiinggit sila. The Five of Pentacles in reverse. Your money is going good. Yeah, going great. Somebody is in need. I don't know, pwedeng sa'yo. Yeah, the Star. Somebody's healing. Your money is going up. Okay? Iba sa inyo, may mga minamanifest. Yeah, the Chariot. Going up. There's this direction na nangyayari sa ngayon. I think universe is supporting you. Yes. Lahat ng minamanifest mo. I think. Nawa. Yung mga may grantor dyan, yes. Malapit-lapit na to. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, nice. Okay. So, in general, kaperahan is going good, going up. Okay? Hayaan nyo na lang yung mga taong talagang gustong humatak pababa sa inyo, wag nyo lang pansinin, gawin nyo lang yung mga dapat nyong gawin. Okay? Yung mga naghihintay dito ng clarity, closure, whatsoever, may mga ang tawag dyan, secret affair na nandito, wala kayo inaasahan. If you're waiting for an answer, waiting for a decision, may piliin, wala. Okay. So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating second channel na Love Letter. Thank you. Goodbye.